Hello, and welcome to our special space. Today we'll explore a beautiful Japanese secret to aging gracefully, how to look 40 at 80 by living in harmony with nature and your body. We'll clear away old ideas about aging and make space for new, life-affirming practices that bring a youthful glow from within. Remember, the wisdom here is for inspiration and education, not medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your routine. Your well-being is precious and deserves thoughtful care. Let's begin this journey of discovery together. In Japan, we honor the passage of time, embracing each year as a gift rather than something to resist or fear. We see beauty in every stage of life, cherishing the wisdom and experiences that come with age. The secret to youthful aging isn't about fighting time, but living in harmony with it, accepting change and flowing with it gracefully. It's a holistic way of life. Small, intentional practices that nurture both body and spirit, day after day. We pay close attention to what we eat, choosing fresh, seasonal foods, and savoring each meal with gratitude. We care for our skin with gentle, natural ingredients, honoring the rituals passed down through generations. And we cultivate a peaceful mind, practicing mindfulness, meditation, and creative arts that soothe the soul. Imagine your body as a cherished home. Clear away what no longer serves you, like stress, clutter, or unhealthy habits, making space for renewal. Return to simple, natural balance for a youthful foundation, letting nature guide your choices. Nature is our teacher. Fresh foods, pure water, and the changing seasons remind us to nourish ourselves and stay present. Plant-based skincare and natural remedies connect us to renewal and growth, supporting our well-being from the outside in. Ikigai, a sense of purpose, keeps the spirit young and engaged, inspiring us to contribute and connect with others. Movement is gentle and mindful, like Ragio Taiso, or walking in nature, keeping the body supple and the mind refreshed. These daily habits keep energy flowing, flexibility high, and help prevent the aches of aging. Simplicity is key. A calm, uncluttered life reduces stress, slows aging, and creates space for joy. By simplifying routines and surroundings, we create mental clarity, peace, and a sense of lightness. A serene mind is reflected in a serene expression, radiating calm and contentment from within. The goal, a life that looks youthful and feels profoundly joyful, surrounded by loved ones and laughter. True youthfulness is a synergy of body, mind, and spirit, cultivated through daily choices and a positive outlook. This is the Japanese way to age with grace, living fully, loving deeply, and welcoming each new day with gratitude. Let's turn to a cherished Japanese skincare secret, Aloe Vera, a plant that has been celebrated for centuries for its remarkable healing and beautifying properties. This simple, natural plant is treasured for its ability to deeply hydrate and rejuvenate skin, making it a staple in many traditional beauty routines. Aloe's gel is rich in water, vitamins A, C, and E, powerful antioxidants that protect and nourish the skin, helping to fight free radicals and slow the visible signs of aging. It soothes, hydrates, and helps smooth away fine lines, giving skin a plump, youthful look. With regular use, aloe vera can help restore your skin's natural elasticity and glow. Polysaccharides in aloe encourage skin renewal, while anti-inflammatory compounds calm irritation, making it ideal for sensitive or mature skin types. In Japan, applying aloe is a mindful ritual, gently patting the cool gel onto the face and neck, often as part of a calming morning or evening routine. This act of self-care connects us to nature and enhances the benefits, turning a simple skincare step into a moment of relaxation and gratitude. Many choose to grow aloe at home for fresh, potent gel, nature's gift, on your windowsill, always ready to nourish your skin. Using aloe is a holistic process, hydrating, nourishing, protecting, and regenerating with one pure ingredient, suitable for all skin types and ages. It's a testament to the belief that the simplest solutions are often the most powerful, especially when it comes to caring for your skin. Choose what sparks joy and vitality for your skin. Aloe vera truly does, offering a gentle, effective path to healthier skin. It's a treasure for timeless beauty, cherished by generations for its ability to keep skin looking fresh and luminous. Embrace this ritual for a natural, radiant glow, and let your skin reflect the harmony of nature and tradition. Let nature's wisdom guide your skincare, reminding us that beauty can be simple, pure, and deeply effective. Simplicity and consistency are the keys to ageless skin. Let aloe vera be your daily companion on the journey to lasting beauty. Many seek quick fixes for youth, but the Japanese approach nurtures the skin's natural vitality. Facial massage is a cherished ritual. Using fingertips or a gua sha tool, gently stroke upward and outward. This releases facial tension, smooths lines, and stimulates blood flow for a healthy glow. Massage also encourages lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and sculpting the face. Acupressure on specific points relaxes muscles and softens expression lines naturally. These practices don't erase your expressions. They soften tension and restore peaceful repose. Each massage is a moment of self-connection and care. Results are gradual and natural, creating lasting improvement in skin health and radiance. You'll look vibrant and serene, the best version of yourself. The Japanese way is to cultivate beauty that reflects inner harmony. No injections, just gentle, consistent care. Let your beauty unfold gracefully with time. Embrace these rituals for true, lasting youthfulness. Your face tells your story. Let it shine with health and joy. Collagen is the framework of our skin, giving it firmness and elasticity. In Japan, we protect and nurture our natural collagen, rather than relying on artificial fixes. Collagen forms a supportive network in the skin, keeping it firm and smooth when we're young. Aging, sun, stress, and sugar weaken this network, leading to sagging and wrinkles. The Japanese approach: protect existing collagen with sun protection, stress management, and antioxidant-rich foods. Support new collagen by consuming bone broth and high-quality collagen peptides. Choose pure, nourishing sources to give your body the building blocks it needs. This internal approach nourishes the skin's foundation, not just the surface. The result: firmer, more resilient skin from the inside out. It's a long-term investment in your skin's future. Nurture your skin's strength and vitality every day. True beauty is built on a strong foundation. Care for your collagen, and your skin will thank you. Ginger, a cornerstone of Japanese tradition, is a powerful ally for collagen. Its active compound, gingerol, offers antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, protecting collagen from damage. Ginger inhibits collagenase, the enzyme that breaks down collagen, preserving skin's firmness. It also supports new collagen synthesis by improving circulation and nourishing skin cells. In Japan, ginger is enjoyed in food and tea. Regular small amounts are key. Topical use is possible but should be done with care. A patch test is essential. Consuming ginger is the safest way to harness its benefits. Embrace ginger as a simple, natural way to support youthful skin. Work with your body's natural processes, not against them. Graceful aging is about gentle encouragement, not force. Let the earth's gifts support your vitality. Ginger is a true friend to firm, radiant skin. Some of the most powerful secrets are simple family traditions. One such story tells of a grandmother's morning elixir, aloe vera and ginger, believed to be stronger than any external treatment. This ritual balances cooling aloe with warming ginger, creating harmony and renewal. The elixir soothes digestion, reduces inflammation, and stimulates circulation, cleansing the body from within. Internal clarity and health are reflected in radiant skin. The true magic lies in intention, drinking mindfully with gratitude and visualization. This practice aligns mind and body for healing and rejuvenation. The ultimate secret to youth is not a product, but a daily ritual of self-love. Cleanse, stimulate, and calm your body and mind. Let pure ingredients and pure intention work together. This is wisdom that keeps you youthful at any age. Embrace the ritual, not just the remedy. True beauty begins within. Discover how to craft a refreshing and rejuvenating aloe and ginger elixir right in your own kitchen. This simple recipe is not only easy to follow but also brings a burst of natural wellness to your daily routine. Start by gathering your ingredients: a fresh aloe vera leaf, a small piece of ginger, half a lemon, and a cup of pure water. Using the freshest ingredients ensures you get the most nutrients and flavor. Allow the aloe leaf to drain thoroughly, removing the yellow aloin, which can be bitter and harsh on the stomach. Once drained, carefully scoop out 2 generous tablespoons of the clear, soothing gel. Next, peel a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger. Add it to your blender along with the aloe gel. Ginger adds a warming kick and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This not only brightens the flavor, but also provides a boost of vitamin C and helps balance the earthiness of the aloe and ginger. Pour in a cup of pure water, or for a tropical twist, use coconut water. This step adds hydration and helps blend all the ingredients smoothly. Blend everything together until the mixture is silky and smooth. As you blend, focus on positive intentions. Imagine the energy of these ingredients nourishing your body. Pour the vibrant green juice into a tall glass. Drink it immediately to take advantage of the live enzymes, vitamins, and nutrients that are most potent when fresh. Find a peaceful spot to sit, take a deep breath, and savor each sip. Notice the gentle flavors, and let the juice cleanse, refresh, and awaken your system from within. Incorporate this juice into your morning routine. Over time, you'll notice lasting benefits: more energy, better digestion, and a brighter start to your day. This simple act of self-care sets a healthy, mindful tone for your day. It's a small ritual that can make a big difference in how you feel. With consistency, you'll see profound results: glowing skin, improved vitality, and a sense of well-being that radiates from the inside out. Remember, caring for your body starts from within. Each glass is a step toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Let this nourishing ritual be your daily gift to yourself, a moment of calm, intention, and self-love. True beauty and vitality begin with what you choose to nourish yourself with. Cheers to your health and happiness. As we close, I hope you feel inspired to embrace these natural, joyful practices. Remember, youthful vitality is found in simple daily rituals: massage, nourishing foods, and mindful elixirs. Each act of self-care is a thank you to your body. Choose what resonates, and integrate it with intention. True beauty is a life where your inner light shines at any age. Thank you for joining me. Share this wisdom and help our community grow. Until next time, may your days be filled with light, harmony, and timeless well-being.